Anthropic built its industry reputation on strict security controls and a safety-first approach to artificial intelligence research. They are known for closely guarding their intellectual property. On March 31, 2026, that secure perimeter failed. The company accidentally leaked the entire codebase for its flagship coding assistant, the Claude Code CLI. This exposure resulted from a basic DevOps packaging error published directly to the public NPM registry. No sophisticated cyber attack or rogue employee was required. To understand how this happened, we have to look at how software is shipped. Before production code is released to the public, it goes through minification and obfuscation to protect proprietary logic and reduce the overall payload size. To a human developer, this minified production code is unreadable. It is a dense, chaotic, featureless block of compressed logic with shortened, meaningless variable names. Because this code is unreadable, developers generate a separate source map file. This file is designed strictly for internal use to help engineers debug crashes that happen in production. Mechanically, a source map functions as a decoding matrix. It bridges the obfuscated production bundle directly back to the original readable source code. A source map provides a direct path to a software application's proprietary logic, which is why it remains strictly outside of production environments. In version 2.1.88 of the Claude Code NPM package, a single 60-megabyte packaging error caused a massive cascade. Anthropic accidentally included the source map file, exposing their entire application architecture to the public. This single text file allowed anyone to reconstruct and reverse engineer over 512,000 lines of proprietary TypeScript. The scope of the leak included more than 1,900 internal files. It exposed internal API designs, telemetry analysis systems, encryption tools, and unreleased feature flags. Anthropic had made a nearly identical packaging mistake, exposing an earlier version of Claude Code just a few months prior, in February 2025. The developer community reacted instantly. Within hours, the codebase was cloned, forked, and translated into Rust and Python, specifically to bypass DMCA copyright claims on the original TypeScript. This oversight bypassed all runtime security guardrails. It handed competitors a pristine, unredacted architectural blueprint of an enterprise-grade AI agent. Claude Code is built as an extensive harness, a complex application layer designed to encapsulate the raw artificial intelligence. This software layer manages everything from terminal rendering to project-wide file indexing, acting as the interface between the user and the language model. The raw frontier model, like Claude 3.5 Sonnet, acts merely as the back-end compute engine. It provides the raw intelligence, but it does not drive the vehicle. The orchestration layer, the harness, actually dictates system performance. It controls tool routing, manages permissions, and defines the agentic behavior required to execute complex commands. This harness exists to solve the primary engineering challenges of raw large language models. They are inherently stateless, and they have finite context window limitations. The leaked codebase reveals the scale of the software required to manage the model's interaction with the local environment. In software engineering, large language models face a critical limitation. They lack persistent memory. Left on their own, they cannot maintain long-term project awareness across multiple coding sessions. Anthropic addresses this first through context injection, utilizing a dynamic local file called claude.md. This markdown file acts as a foundational instruction set. It injects project-specific rules, architectural guidelines, and decision constraints into the model before a single line of code is executed. The architecture then relies on a second layer, the session layer. This actively logs all client interactions, file reads, and tool outputs over the course of a workflow. This creates an inevitable scalability problem. As the session history grows, the context window fills up. A bloated context window degrades the LLM's reasoning accuracy and massively inflates API costs. The leak revealed Anthropic's specific solution to this token bloat, the Dream subagent. The Dream agent runs in the background, specifically tasked with memory consolidation. It reviews historical actions and compresses them down into dense, easily referenced pointers. The process is tightly controlled by time, session, and log gating mechanisms. These parameters prevent the system from overdreaming and hallucinating, or underdreaming and running out of memory. By running parallel memory consolidation, the agent maintains high-quality reasoning over multi-day coding sessions, all while keeping the token budget strictly under control. Novice developers typically interact with AI by giving it one massive monolithic prompt: asking it to build an entire complex feature at once. In complex enterprise environments, this monolithic approach fails. Forcing a single model instance to handle planning, writing, and testing simultaneously inevitably leads to hallucinations. Claude Code handles complexity through task decomposition. The architecture utilizes over 40 distinct tools and roughly 85 specific slash commands to break large goals into atomic steps. Rather than relying on one omniscient thread, the system uses a central coordinator to split the work across multiple specialized subagents running in parallel. In a practical workflow, one agent can actively explore the codebase to trace a bug, while another agent simultaneously validates test environments in the background. These diverse agents interact with the local environment using the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This standardized backbone allows the agents to securely connect to local databases and external developer tools. Autonomous software engineering at this level functions as a networked team of specialized parallel microworkers. Frontier AI labs face a constant threat known as distillation, the practice where competitors scrape a leading model's high-quality reasoning outputs to train their own cheaper copycat models. The leaked code shows exactly how Anthropic defends against this. The system actively summarizes Claude's internal chain-of-thought logic before it ever reaches the user's local client. The raw reasoning is stripped out and replaced by a secret keystroke token. This ensures that the complete intellectual logic required to solve a problem is only logged on Anthropic's secure backend servers. The source code also revealed an internal protocol labeled Undercover Mode. When active, Undercover Mode injects system prompts that restrict the AI from accidentally revealing internal Anthropic codenames while employees contribute to public repositories. It is a clear look into a deeply paranoid operational security posture. Beyond exposing Anthropic's internal security secrets, this leak has immediate macro consequences for the global developer ecosystem. The exposed codebase serves as an unredacted masterclass in AI system design. It shows exactly how a frontier lab structures an enterprise-grade application. It provides the broader engineering community with a production-tested template for orchestrating complex agentic loops, managing context windows, and balancing token economics. The exposed architecture confirms that while model weights are valuable, the competitive advantage lies in the orchestration software required to make those models useful in the real world. Mechanically, this entire situation traces back to a single point of failure in a CI/CD pipeline. As AI agents become deeply integrated into enterprise systems, DevOps engineers face a reality check. Securing the application layer surrounding the AI is just as critical as securing the model weights themselves. Preventative measures must start at the source. Build pipelines require properly configured .npm ignore files to ensure .map artifacts are excluded by default. The ultimate technical fix is utilizing strict CI/CD validation gates. These automated checks must actively strip all source map artifacts out of the build before publication to any public registry. Telemetry and debugging tools must be configured to reference source maps that are hosted privately on secure servers, never bundled with the public package. No matter how advanced the artificial intelligence or how many billions are spent on model safety, a single misconfigured text file in a build pipeline can hand your entire architectural blueprint to the world.